भूतम श्री कृष्ण नित्यं प्रपत्ते श्रीमते श्री कृष्ण देश महादेशिकाय नमः। अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः, अस्मत्परमगुरुभ्यो नमः, अस्मत्सर्वगुरुभ्यो नमः। नारायण सिमरन।
After so he wanted continuance with
Yes, Swamiji, 10th verse, Swamiji.
yeah abhirita vishayantarasyathare upanishadamupagana matra bhogah apaja gunavashat tadeka seshi madhura kabir hrudaye mavirastu. This great Mahatma Madhura Kavi Alvar, he was mesmerized by the great qualities of his Acharya Dhammalvar, and he became a servant of his Acharya. And he did not worry about anything else in the world. And he constantly enjoyed the divine chantings by his Acharya, Nammalvar. So that Madhura Kavi Alvar, may he come and reside in our hearts. வேறொன்றும் நான் அறியேன் வேதம் தமிழ் செய்தமான அஞ்சிட கோபன் வன்குருகூரே ஏரெங்கள் வாழ்வாம் என்று எத்தும் மதுர கவியார் எம்மை ஆழ்வார் அவரே அரண். Mahatma Madhura Kavi Alvar had the greatness to say, I do not know anything other than the great Nammalvar who could rewrite the essence of the Vedas into Dravida Prabandham. The greatest of the greatest personality that incarnated in the Kurukapuri. And this Mahatma, Madhura Kavi Alvar, who will be the one who will be motivating all of us to develop that kind of Paratantham in Bhagavan Bhagavata Acharyas. May he take over the job of administering us, ruling us, because such Mahatmas like Madhura Kavi Alvar are our only protection. Krishna, when Mother Yashoda tied you up with a rope, கண்ணினம் சிறுத்தம்பினால் கட்டுண்ண பண்ணிய பெருமாயின் நின்னப்பனோ நன்னித்தின் குருகோர் நம்பி என்ற கால நிற்கும் என்னாவுக்கே. That particular Bhagavan Krishna who allowed himself to be tied by Yashoda Devi with a rope that has so many knots, because no rope was sufficient to go around the little stomach of Krishna. So she kept on adding one rope to the other, one rope to the other. So it is having lot of knots. So compared to that Krishna who allowed himself to be tied up by Mother Yashoda, my Acharya, Madhura Kavi Alvar says, who appeared in Kurukapuri, if only I think of my Acharya, celestial nectar will start coming into my mouth, will ooze in my mouth. That is the greatness of Acharya Paratantham. Madhura Kavi Alvar says. So compared to Lord Krishna, Madhura Kavi Alvar feels he is serving his Acharya is much, much superior. நாவினால் நிவித்து இன்பம் எய்தினேன் மெய்வினேன் அவர் பொருளிமையே தெய்வம் மற்றடியேன் குருகூர் நம்பி சுவாமி நின்னிசை பாடித் திரிவனே. By glorifying my Acharya, this tongue, the walk, the words, they have been sanctified and I enjoyed bliss. And I have totally surrendered at the feet of my Acharya. And those divine feet of my Acharya is telling me I don't need any other form of worship, any other Devi Devata worship, except my Acharya Nammalvar. Let me not do anything other than glorifying my Acharya and keep going from place to place, explaining the greatness of my Acharya Nammalvar, he feels. திருத்தந்தாகிலும் தேவபதானுடைய கரிய குறை திருவுரு காண்பன்னான் பெரியவன் குருகூர் நகர நம்பிக்கை ஆளுரியாமை அடியேன் பெத்த நன்மையே. Okay, Sriman Narayana is very handsome. Okay, Sriman Narayana is all the more handsome because of the presence of Sri Mahalakshmi over there. And that Sriman Narayana's divine body is there, which is called Lakshmi Visishta Rupam. The divine body of Sriman Narayana itself is great, but it has become all the more great with the Sri Mahalakshmi accepting to be there on the Vakshasthalam of Lord Srihari. But as far as I am concerned, I am not worried about that Sriman Narayana's divine form. What all I want to do is surrender to my Acharya, Nammalvar, born in Kurukapuri, known as Kurukapuri Purna. My becoming a servant of my Acharya is the greatest of the greatest blessing for me. நன்மையால் மிக்க நன்மையாடுகள் புன்மையாக கருது வராதலையோ அன்னையாய் அத்தனாய் என்னை ஆண்டிடும் தன்மையால் ஸ்ரீகோபனின் நம்பியே. Those Mahatmas who are there, experts in chanting the Vedas, etc., the 4 Vedas, those people think bad of me because I do not give any importance to Bhagavan or anything other than my Acharya. They may think very bad about me. It's okay, let them think bad. But this Mahatma Nammalvar, my Acharya, who is like my father and my mother. My Acharya is my father, is like my mother, is my everything for me. Even though learned scholars think bad about me, that I am not surrendering to Narayana, that I am surrendering only to my Acharya, it doesn't matter. Let them think whatever they want. Because as far as I am concerned, if Sriman Narayana is Purna Kama for general devotees as glorified in the Vedas, my Acharya is equally Paripurna to bless me to attain Vaikuntham. நம்பினேன் பிற நன்பொடு தன்னையமனவினேன் விடவாரியமனிடம் சிவன்மான திருக்குறுகு நம்பிக்கை அன்பனாய் அடியேன் செதுத்தேன் என்றேன். The Jivatma doesn't belong to you. Jivatma belongs to Bhagavan Sriman Narayana. But we always think, I want it, I need this, I like it. Means we feel that the Jivatma belongs to us. We don't realize Jivatma belongs to Narayana. I am interested only in knowing the Atma Tattvam, not at all about the body. As similar to great Pativrata Stris, just as Pativratas always want to serve their husbands, that Pativrata gets all her satisfaction only in serving her husband. And her spiritual merit increases day by day as Pativrata serves her husband. Now, Mahatma Madhurakavi Alvar says, just as Pativrata ladies are there, interested in their husbands, I too submit myself completely to my Lord Sriman Narayana. And I will surrender myself to my Acharya, Swami Nammalvar. And by surrendering to my Acharya, I feel I have become Kurtakrucha, means achieved what I wanted to achieve. இன்று தொட்டுமல் விமரான் இந்த மேடை திருநான் குன்னமண திருக்கூர் நம்பி என்று மென்னை இகழ்விலன் காண்மினே. From today, I will be there only glorifying my teacher, my guru, my acharya, Nammalvar only. This Kurukapuri with a huge high-rise structures. And in this Kurukapuri where my great acharya Nammalvar resides, because of my Pativrata bhakti towards his feet, because of the Pativrata bhakti I have towards his feet, he will never, never, never leave me. An acharya will never, never leave the student as long as the student maintains that Pativrata bhava. In the next verse, Kandu Kondannai Katmaripran Pandavil
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Known in and all the 8 directions given than that. Mahatma Madhurakavi Alvar says, அருள் கொண்டாடும் அழிவுமுறையார் அவர் மரியன் பொருள்.
Actually, we can't hear you.
I think Acharya rejoining the meeting. I saw him exiting.
அருள் கொண்டாடும் அழிவுமுறையார் அவர் மரியன் பொருள். அருள் கொண்டு ஆயிரம் தமிழ் பாடினான் அருள் கண்டீர் இவர்கள் மிக்கதே. The unimaginable gift of Vedic knowledge given to me by my Acharya because of his great mercy. My great Acharya, out of his love for Bhagavan, sang 1,000 verses. Tiruvaimoli. Is there any greater blessing for me than my Acharyas giving me the 1,000 pashanams to chant? Is there any greater blessing that I can aspire other than having the blessings of my Acharya? That is enough for me. மிக்க வேதியர் வேதத்தின் உட்பொருள் மிக்கப்படி நெஞ்சில் நிறுத்தினான் தக்கசியே சிறகோபன் என் நம்பிக்கை ஆட்புக்க காடல் அடிமை பயனன்றே. My great Acharya Nammalvar have taken the essence and the secret meanings of all the Vedas, and with the pure Sharanagati he sang in 1,000 verses, and kept it in my heart, or rather I keep that my Acharya's teachings in my heart, and the only thing that I am looking for is doing Kainkaryam to my Acharya. Mahatma Madhurakavi Alvar says, Adimai Painantre, the best of the best that I can accept, that I can expect as part of my Sharanagati is to serve my Acharya. The best part of my Sharanagati is that I get an opportunity to serve my Acharya. That's how Madhurakavi Alvar became great. Painandragilum, Pangalaragilum,
செயல் நன்றாக திருத்தி பணிகொள்வான் வீழ்கின்றார் பொழில் சூழ் குருகூர் நம்பி முயல்கின்றேன் உந்தன் மை கடற் கண்பையே. Even though I am not ready to serve my Acharya, even though I am not favorable, even though I am not ready to accept spiritual life, the mercy of my Acharya is so great that he accepted me as a student and corrected me and gave me the blessing to serve him. And in this beautiful place that is there, reverberating with the nice singing of nightingales, what all I am begging is the satisfaction of my Acharya. Look at the humility of Madhurakavi Alvar. Madhurakavi Alvar says, even though he is a great Mahatma and a great devotee, he says, I didn't have any qualification. In fact, I am not even ready. I am not even favorable. But still my Acharya corrected me, accepted me, corrected me, and blessed me with the service to serve him. What else I need? The great Mahatma, I only beg this my Acharya, who is there in this Kurkapuri, which is just reverberating with the nice chirping sounds of the nightingales. I only beg for serving my Acharya and his satisfaction, nothing other than that. அன்பந்தன்னை தந்தோர்கிற்கில்ல அன்பந்தன் குருகூர் நகர் நம்பிக்கை அன்பனாயமத்தை My great Acharya Nammalvar has a lot of affection for everyone who did Sharanagati. To the Supreme Lord Sriman Narayana, to Bhagavan Sriman Narayana. If we did Sharanagati, Nammalvar is happy with us. And this Madhurakavi Alvar, who is a servant of the Nammalvar, is giving us a blessing. Anybody who follows the instruction of this Kadineshiruttattu, trying to glorify one's Acharya, are guaranteed Sri Vaikuntha Prabhu. Are guaranteed to attain Sri Vaikuntham. What else you need, sir? That's how Kadineshiruttambar became very, very unique. Right, any other questions you have, ma'am?
Swamiji, verse number 7 sound was not there, so just verse number 7 we missed it.
Oh, verse number 7 also you missed it, huh?
No, sorry,
Yes, Swamiji.
Swamiji.
Sadashiva, did they miss from 7 and 8, you mean?
Between some few minutes of broken Swamiji, I could not let it
Okay.
down.
I was able to write. The 7 I could not write. 6 and 8 I have. 7 I have question mark.
Okay. 7 also, okay, I'll go back to ma'am. Kandu Kundanai, Kari Mariparan, Pandavilvanai, Patavinan, Entishayum, Ariyam again, one Tamil, Shragoparlaye. My Acharya Nammalvar, the son of Karimari, has mercifully accepted me as his servant. And with his merciful looks itself, he wiped out all my sins and blessed me. Let me announce boldly in all the 8 different directions. Enjoy the mercy of Nammalvar. Enjoy the mercy of Nammalvar. Indicating Nammalvar being a perfect Acharya. He himself is capable of wiping out all our karma. We don't even have to worry about Lord Narayana, he says. But a great Acharya like Nammalvar can wipe out all the karmas. Therefore, let me announce in all the different directions that enjoy the mercy of the great Mahatma Nammalwar. Go ahead, sir. Any other questions you have?
Swamiji,
All right. Yes, sir.
Swamiji, that Nammalwar is Tirunagari or what do you call that name, Swamiji? It would just tell me.
Alvar, Tirunagari, Gurukapuri.
Urkapuri same or Swamiji? Both are same, Swamiji?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Narayana.
Sivan. Narayana.
Okay. This evening